Hey guys, welcome to another video. Since my last video I haven't posted in a long time, but now I am going to post and we are making a rebirth system. So first I made a GUI, but first what I did was make a leader stats and a script that adds levels, and this is my frame. All I'm doing right now is making the frame and then I'll start scripting. So I got my rebirth text button and we'll make the background color a red, signifying you can't do it until it is until you meet the requirement. So then what we'll do is we'll hide this frame, make it not visible, and we'll put a text button, name this rebirth open, and then we'll do a rebirth. Okay, so then we can add a UI corner to that, making it look nice. Blue to that, text scaled, make this cartoon 0 and white. Okay, so we have rebirth, and we'll just script the open real quick, and we'll do a local script. Okay, so what we want to start off is local open equals script dot parent. Then you can do local frame equals script dot parent dot frame. Then we'll do a, you don't have to, there you go. Then we'll do local player. You don't need to do that actually. So now that you have that, you want to do open dot mouse button one down connect function, and we'll go like that. Okay, then you want to do frame dot visible equals not frame dot visible. So what this is doing is if you press this button, it will open it and then it will close it, like if you press it another time. So you don't have to add like an X to the rebirth frame. Now what you want to do is, that's it. So this is just opening it and closing it. Then you want to go to the rebirth button. You want to go to the rebirth button and you want to add a local script to that. In this local script, you will write rebirth local button equals script dot parent local player equals script dot or play game dot players dot local player. Then what you want to do is button dot mouse button one click connect function, and then you want to do if player dot leader stats dot level equals dot value equals is either greater than, so if the value of that is greater than or equal to 5, then you want to add a rebirth to it. So you want to do leader stats or player dot leader stats dot rebirth is what I named it. pretty sure. Rebirths. You want to do rebirths dot value equals the same thing plus 1. And then you want to do else. You can do the messaging system, or you could just put button dot text equals not enough levels. Then wait 0.3. Sorry, I had to get a call. Okay, so from the button.text equals not enough levels, then you want to wait like 0.3 or 0.5 seconds. Then you want to do again button.text equals rebirth, all caps, rebirth. And then we can play this now. I should have done a debounce, but we just want to make sure it works, and then we'll do the debounce later. So we don't have not enough levels, rebirth. So we get 10 levels, adds a rebirth. Okay, it works. Now what we want to do is from here, so it says not enough levels is red. And then you want to do if, then you want to do button dot background color equals color 3 dot new. Then we'll just do a green. And then else we'll do this and red. And then we'll grab this again. Actually, I think we can keep it like that. So, we come back into the game. We have 0 levels. It's red. We get 6 levels. Okay, so that's when it's clicking. What I need to do is for this to work, I need to do if player, then, and boom. Now that should work once I get over 5 levels or the 5th level. So it's red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should become green. It doesn't. Okay. Huh. It's okay, we don't need that. So we'll do not enough levels, and we'll bring this back so I can copy that, put this here like that, and that's it. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to take away the level. So it has the level, and we need to take away 5 from it since the rebirth value is 5. So if it has player.leaderstats.level value, we want to grab this again, and we want to do same thing, equals, and we want to subtract the level, minus 5. So this is just, or we could divide it by 2, which wouldn't work because, yeah, it wouldn't work. I'm slow. Give me a second. Alright, so now that should work, and we'll do a debounce so people can't spam it. Local db equals true, or we could do false. If db equals false, then we'll grab this, boom, then it's true. db equals true. Then we'll wait a 0.7 db equals false. So now we go back into the game. Our level is 10. Rebirth takes away 5, adds a rebirth, another rebirth, 2, and people can't spam it. So not enough level, rebirth, not enough levels, not enough levels. So that is a rebirth system, and I'll do a data save in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.